Hey guys, Chris here with Collier RV. Today I'm excited to show you a 2020 Keystone High Country 295 RL. So this is a brand new floor plan from High Country, and I mean brand new. This is probably one of the first ones they built. It's actually, as of June 3rd, not even on the Keystone website yet. So I'm excited to show it to you. It's High Country's shortest model. It's kind of a redesign of the 305, but it gets you a really awesome bedroom, big spacious bathroom. So let's check it out. So new for this year, they've added the upgrade to the Dometic Awning. So you have this little rail, you can add accessories, lights, and different things easily to this track. Otherwise, you just got a nice big fast awning with an LED light. All right, so you got the magnetic holdbacks on the door, just big, nice, clean pass through. They give this nice rubberized material, so it should be easy to keep this area clean. And then the High Countries all have a drop frame, so they have additional frame rail extension down here, so you get the big unobstructed pass-through storage. All right, nice big wide entry door, and then that's a friction hinge, so you can stop that at various points along the way. And then you have the nice 4-step of the solid step, more ride step. So very secure and easy to keep clean. All right, so 16-inch wheels. Of course, you get alloy wheels, but you get F-rated tires. So very good tires on the Keystone product. All right, so back here, of course, roof ladder. You will be pre-wired for a backup camera, and then you do have a hitch receiver if you wanted to add a bike rack or some accessories back there. So your 50-amp power cord connects here. We are lucky enough to be plugged in today. All right, so back here, this is where your dump tank valves are. So you can pull your gray tank from right there. And then backside of your furnace, 12-gallon water heater, which is gas or electric. Your convenience center in here, so kind of everything you'd expect: easy winterization, outside shower, cable satellite hookups, battery disconnect. You have a power tank fill, black tank flush, and then your access to your low point drains. So very cool. And then there is a motion sensor light in there as well. So if you open this up, that'll turn on. All right, and then this is controls for your leveling, and then this has a true auto level system. So you basically turn it on, hit auto level, and give it a little bit of time, and it will level itself out at the campsite. All right, so let's check out the inside of this 295 High Country. Okay, so I left this first slide out in because I wanted to show something. I know a lot of people are interested if you can get through the trailer with the slide in. So this one, you have to be fairly skinny, because this is what you get. But if you can get through here, then you do have access to your refrigerator, and then you'll have easy access to the bedroom and to the bathroom with the slides in. All right, so let me put this slide out and I'll show you the inside of the trailer. Okay, so beautiful layout. I mean, very similar to the 305 or the 330, 331. The slide box is really nice in that you get all these big windows at your campsite, and then all these windows do open for good airflow. We did option this with a table and chairs, so then you do have an extension, which it's latched in right now, but this will extend further. And good room around the table. Pull these chairs back. They've added power recliners, so just hold a switch and wait patiently and they'll come out. Nice thing about those is you can stop them at various points. The mechanical ones either usually have to be all the way up or all the way down. Nice big sofa. This is comfortable furniture. This is the Thomas Paine edition. There is a tri-fold sleeper in here too. If you want to sleep 2 people, that'd be easy to do. All right. And then good viewing from the TV, either from basically anywhere on the trailer, because this TV is on a swing arm, so you can watch it easily at the couch, at the theater seating, at the dinette, even in the kitchen. And then you also have easy access to the wiring, and you can add additional storage behind. All right, other than that, just nice deep storage. You have the fireplace, which is great to have, so that'll give off some ambiance, or otherwise it will actually produce heat. All right, so really cool island. This is all, you know, solid surface countertops, but they do the nice two-size sink. They used to always do this in Montanas, so you have a good spot if you want to do dishes. Pots and pans will fit in here. Otherwise, you have an additional spot in your sink. And then the nice high-rise faucet. And then this does have the pull-out sprayer. And you know, Keystone's just been building Montanas for years and years, and they've really listened to what people are saying. So, you know, I think this whole area is just so well designed. You have your microwaves at a spot that's actually usable. It's a full-size residential size microwave, so you can get things in and out. You have plenty of nice storage, and then they center the oven and range so that you have nice prep space on both sides. They give you outlets on both sides, so it's just very, very usable. And they've added a pot and pan drawer, and then just, again, a bunch of additional storage. And then you have 4 pull-out drawers in the island, and then a spot for a trash can, and then even some mood lighting they've added underneath the countertop. All right, so big residential refrigerator on this one. You will have an inverter for when you go down the road to keep this charged or keep this cooling. Pantry in here. And again, some additional counter space, additional outlets. All right. I did want to show here, so basically this is where you can control one of your air conditioners. Your power fan, you can open and close from here, adjust the speed of the fan. You have some light controls, and then here's the rest of your controls. So ceiling fan, new for this year, they add tank heaters to all 3 tanks. So fresh, gray, and black. It used to just be on the fresh tank. Electric or gas for your water heater, water pump. This would be for your front hitch light, some additional interior lights, awning light. So basically everything in one nice convenient location, and it's up high, so hopefully no kids are messing with it. All right, so they basically made this a bigger slide out box. So this is actually partly in your bathroom, partly in your bedroom. So really cool design. You have huge storage through here. And if you wanted to add a washer and dryer, you're plumbed in actually in the slide out. So you do a combo unit and you could put it right in here. Otherwise, you just have terrific storage. All right. Nice roomy shower. And then this is a fiberglass. This isn't just a cheap shower surround. So really still using good quality stuff, the nice glass doors. You have a porcelain toilet, you got plenty of room around there. So just a lot of room in this bathroom. All right, and then you can either go from the walkway or through the bathroom into the rest of the bedroom. So you get a king bed on the slide out, you know, plenty of room around there. They add the nice upgraded headboard, which I think looks really nice. And then they add the front windshield. So very cool. You can imagine if you have a great campsite here, the nice views you'll get. Other than that, you can pull this screen down at night and not worry about it. All right, other than that, just a whole bunch of nice space for clothes. And then if you wanted to add a TV in the bedroom, you can put one right here. You have a steel backing plate in the wall, so it'd be easy to add that there. So brand new model from Keystone High Country. I know we're really excited about it. 295 RL for sale at Collier RV. Alrighty, thank you for watching.